name is Valor, and today I am going to show you how to fix your button on your Akedo button bash controller. So here's some issues that we are going to fix today. So see how this is facing me? This is not how it's supposed to go. It's supposed to be facing outward, not facing me like this. And also, the button right here is hard to push, so you can't fight that well. What you need is a butter knife. You can use any knife you want, but we used a butter knife. So, see right here how there's this number side, and we just stick the butter knife right here where this little crack is, and then pop it open. What you will do right here is you will line it up just like this one is, where the arrow is facing right here. You're gonna line it up right there. Then you'll put it on very slowly. So don't hit the button, or it will. So you don't hit the button, or it will move it. Then put it back on, and there you go. What you want to do is, when you've fixed your controller, you're gonna want to put the super glue, right here along the cracks where you have fixed your controller, and then there you go.